Yo, brands are dead. I'm doing some product research right now, and there's these brands like I've seen like called Apple Tech and like Farland. I'm looking at these camping like sleeping bags that you take with you when you go camping, and I pulled up a Jungle Scout report, right? And it's crazy to see that these brands I've never heard of are outselling Coleman. You guys ever heard of Coleman? They're just like this giant like sports and outdoor company, right? If you've gone camping before, you probably used their tents, you probably use their sleeping bags, you probably use some of their camping equipment, right? These guys have sold billions and billions of dollars worth of it, and it's crazy to see that there are other people on Amazon making more money than Coleman. It's just like we live in this day and age where Amazon has completely changed everything in the retail landscape, right? Toys R Us is dead and retail is just dying, right? An average Joe like me and you can put our product on Amazon and be in front of millions of people around the whole entire planet, right? This has never been like a thing ever in the past. If you ever sold anything like in the past, if you created any product, you would have to put it in a retail store. Nowadays, you can put a product on Amazon in less than 5 minutes. That's insane, right? You can just put a product and it'll reach millions and millions of people. While back in the day, right, if you want to get your product into Walmart, you would have to like just go through, like even today actually, if you want to get your product in any retail store, you have to go through all these gatekeepers. But with Amazon, that's no longer the issue. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Anthony Bui-Tran and I'm with Tradecraft. And in the past year, I've actually been able to quit my job to really pursue my dreams of just entrepreneurship and living the lifestyle that I've always wanted. And one of the really big reasons I quit my corporate job is to really focus on expanding my $1 million Amazon business, right? In the past year, it's just grown and grown and grown. And you know, now that I have the ability to work from anywhere and anytime, my lifestyle has been like so much nicer. Like right now I'm here in like Los Angeles, California, when my home is like in Texas. But the thing is, like with the laptop lifestyle, right, literally I can work from like anywhere as long as I have my laptop and some internet. So as long as I don't lose this bad boy, okay? You know, I remember when I started out, I didn't really understand like everything about Amazon. There's a lot of things that made me scared, such as losing money. And this is like something everyone fears, losing money. But I'm telling you that if you learn about Amazon, there's ways you can mitigate your risk and feel very much more like confident in your Amazon journey, right? So you want to learn how to choose the right product, right? You want to learn how to launch products correctly, and you want to learn the different strategies that sellers out there use, and our battle-tested method of the monopoly method, which is like really taking over the whole entire page of Amazon sales, of an Amazon like search page, right? And that's the monopoly method, and we'll talk more about it in our master class. All those things that I'm talking about, we're gonna go over all of that within our private label MBA class, right? So if you guys really wanna understand more about like how I do this and how hundreds of other people have just changed their lives, and how Amazon has changed my life and how you can get started too, join our private label MBA masterclass. The link for that is gonna be in the comments below. Cool.